This is all I'm bringing for my 3-day trip. All right, my model, would you help me model this bag?
This is my work, my life, my book. This is my destiny. This is my destiny.
I came back from London yesterday. Didn't really have a lot of time to meal prep, but it's okay. Great thing. I check our fridge and we have all these stuff that I put together. Papa wanted to cook for me this morning and I'm like, that's fine. We have so much food in the fridge. I'm just gonna bring everything I could bring without having to cook. So this is probably the first time that I really didn't bring anything that's home cooked. These are all like pre-packaged and I just put them all together. So this is a no cooking meal prep right here. All right, let's start from the left to the right. So start with the pure coconut water, which I already tried. It's delish. It's not a lot of sugar in it, which is I love. I could probably find something better than that, but I just couldn't find anything else but that brand. So anyways, let's move on to the tomatoes or tomatoes, grape tomatoes for salads, or I can just eat it by itself. And I have here pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, again for salad. You can tell already that we're making salad later, right? And this is my mix of artichoke and some sweet and spicy peppers. This container is actually from the artichoke. I like my salad with all these components. And the background that you're hearing, I'm actually doing my laundry. So bear with me, that's like the dryer, drying my uniform. Okay, so what else? Let's move on to this one. This is the extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. So I'm just gonna like add probably some peppers in this. I didn't add peppers. Probably gonna add some black peppers in that later. And these are grapes. It's black grapes. I washed it and dried it. So I have 2 packages of black grapes. This is actually from my favorite ice cream, Talenti or gelato. But I kind of recycled them and I'm using it now for a fruit container. This is obviously, you can see mandarin. I have here grapefruit. I think this is pink grapefruit or red grapefruit. I have my center of the, attraction right here is my smoked salmon, and I add some capers in there. Love me some capers. I think I'm gonna put that on top of the salad or just eat it by itself. And let's go back here. Get some teas. I love this tea. This is the best tea that I, in my opinion, that I love. I don't like any caffeine on my tea, so I got that for myself. Actually, Papa got that for me. And I have my multivitamins for 2 days. Couple of sriracha. I think I got this from a store or from a, I don't remember, Panda maybe, some like store at the airport. And I got some extra for me to bring. All right, this is now, what is this? A cottage cheese. So I found this little package of cottage cheese and I love cottage cheese. So I have 4 there. I have a couple of sardines. I am trying this other brand here called Masagana. This is a non-spicy. The green is non-spicy. The red is spicy. Actually, it's just extra hot right there. So I know I'm gonna like the Ligo, but maybe I would like this Masagana sardines too. And this is my Dave's organic bread. It's like Good Seed is the name of the bread. I think the flavor or the type of the bread, it's a lot of seeds in there. I love it. And what else did I miss? Oh, hold on, I missed something. All right, now it's complete. I got my whey protein. So 1, 2, 3, 4 servings of whey protein. I'm just gonna mix it with water, and it's pretty good. That's that one right there in the bottom. It's from Bodybuilding Whey Protein. It's right, that big bottle down there. So I have like 4 scoops. That should be good, and it's good, to have it like in a pinch. And I also like, adding whey protein now in my diet, because I just noticed that I don't really reach my protein intake. that I would like to take every day. So I'm upping it with some whey protein. Even if I eat a lot of meat, like chicken, beef, pork, fish, it's still not enough from what I wanted to have. So with the help of a little bit of a protein supplement, I reach my daily protein intake that, you know, I would like to take. So this is all what I'm gonna be having for my 3-day trip. You know, the third day pretty much I'm gonna be home, you know, I don't remember what time. I think it's gonna be super late. But if I have to buy some food or eat out, maybe at least once, I'll do that. But for now, this is what I have. I'm sure it's not exactly gonna be enough for 3 days, but at least I have this as a base. And if I want to buy something outside, like eat, you know, at a restaurant or something, at least I will have this as my base. That's it for my no cooking meal prep. We do have a special mention here. I forgot to add this. Popcorn Indiana sweet and salty kettle corn is one of my favorite snacks nowadays. I'm gonna bring these 2 packs for my trip. There you go. All right, my model, would you help me model this bag? So I put all of those stuff, my food right in here. I even have like a little popcorn there for emergency. Look, everything fits in here. I have a little snacks right there. Okay. Cool. And they all fit in there. Plate. All right. Is that approved? Okie doke. And one more here, pa. Look at that. All my protein powder, my hot sauce, my vitamins, my teas, all in there. I got a fork, right? I'm just checking to make sure I have I'll make sure I put my fork in there, mahal. I got a fork, yay! And here's my, like, gas X. Emergency gas X. There you go.
Because at a certain age,
you need gas X.
you need gas X. And you know what age you are? The
I
age
don't
you
know.
need gas
The
X.
age you need gas X.
You're at age X.
X.
You're Gen X now.
Gen X. Alrighty, let's go.
You know that life's a magic circle, and it's my turn for a ride. I'm dusting out this bubble, and I'm flying on the tide. You can sit down with your trouble, back from me, it's plain to see. This is my look, my life.